Welcome to Clones TV. I'm your boy, T1, T2. And if you haven't already, go and do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. Like, comment, share. We popping. Ain't nobody on YouTube putting it down the way we put it down. And if you've been rocking with us, we appreciate it. Thank you. Before we get started talking about these shoes, I want to give a quick shout out to my sister, Scooter, over there at SMT Printing and Designs. She showed love, made these shirts we got on. Want to say thank you. You know what I'm saying? Right now, this, we're doing a little test run till we get the final shirt. This ain't the final, but she did her thing. Want to say thank you. The hat came from Liz. Liz did a great job with the hat, and the one he got on, that came from another location at Liz, and it looked okay, but they messed up at the bottom where it say TV, the placement not right. But boy still rocking it anyway. You know what I'm saying? Man, all this money I paid, she messed my head up. I'm mad motherfucker, dog. I'm rocking anyway. So let's go ahead and get into it. As y'all know, I had sent those shoes back, the Cool Gray 11s. I'll put the video link in the description. But I'm like 99.9% that they sent me fakes. So your boy, they gave me Go credit. And when I got that Go credit, I reordered the Cool Gray 11s again. The crazy thing about it, when I did it this time, I did the instant, what was it called? The instant ship. It's already pre-verified and ready to go. Now, when I got the tracking number, it said Hong Kong again. It's coming from Hong Kong. So, I'm cool. I ain't tripping. When they come in, we're going to do an unboxing. Yeah. We're going to look for those red flags. Yeah. And if those red flags are there, your boy might keep them. Your boy might send them back. I don't know. I really love those Cool Grays. I've been waiting on those Cool Grays for years. Your boy didn't hit on the raffle. Where else I'm going to get the shoe from? So I just hope that GOAT send me a legit pair. I'm to the point now, if I don't hit on the raffle, if I don't get them Saturday morning, 9 o'clock, I think I'm going to chill on getting them resale because it's so many fakes out here going on, and it's a thin line. It's a thin line between the real shoes and the fake shoes, and that line blurred, So all the shoes I have in my collection, hopefully ain't no fakes in here, So I'm gonna have to go back and do a legit check on all my shoes in my collection. Cause I got a lot of shoes from Golden Stock X. Cool Gray should be here in the next 2-3 days, and we gonna see. All right. Jordan 1 bread restock. I can't believe it. Restock on Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, and I don't know about Hibbett, but they gonna release on the 19th. I can't believe it because your boy didn't hit on them. I don't have them, and I'm glad I didn't get them resale. So I have another chance to get these retail. I went to my boy house, B. What's going on, Big B? And I seen his shoes, his bread ones, and those hoes are clean. Shout out to everybody out there that got them. If you don't have them, you have another chance to get them on the 19th. Now, I'm not a ones guy, but I will make an exception for those. Those hoes are clean. Gotta have them in the collection. If I don't hit, it is what it is. Jordan 12 playoff. Comes out next month on the 19th. And man, I never owned a pair of Playoff 12s. I remember when they first was released when I was in school. And I'm gonna tell you, them hoes clean. Clean, clean, clean. Between those and Taxi, I think the Playoff got those Taxi. I love Taxi. I love Jordan 12 Taxi. But the Playoffs, again, I never owned them. And it's just something about, you know, the Jordan 12 with that white strip going across the side on all the 12s that got the white strip. But I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna see. What y'all think? Which one's better? The Taxi or the Playoff? The Taxi or the Playoff? Right now, I'm gonna say the Playoff. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna say the Playoffs. The Playoffs clean. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, next month on the 19th, according to 23isback.com. Can't wait to get those in the collection. Now, if I don't hit on the raffle, if I don't get them at all, retail, your boy gonna have to get them resale. I gotta have those in the collection. As much as, you know, how I feel about GOAT and StockX, you know, with these fakes slipping through, man, I might have to mess with GOAT or StockX to get those if I don't get them, you know, retail. So, Jordan Playoff next month, 2/19/22. All right, T2, what you got? What you got? What you got? All right, here we go. Duck sound. Sitting duck, sitting duck, sitting ducks. Jordan 13, court purple, sitting ducks. They are sitting ducks. Me and my son, we was in Baybrook Mall.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang,
Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. Yeah.
We went to Shoe Palace, seen them on the shelf. Finish Line, seen them on the shelf. And Champs, seen them on the shelf. Sitting ducks. I don't regret the purchase. They cool. They alright. I'm not a 13s guy. But let's do an unboxing real quick. Alright. So, I mean, again, I'm not a 13s guy. I used to be big on purple back in the day. But, not now. But that's how they look. Take them out the box. Take both of them out the box. Just cause they sitting ducks don't mean I don't like them. Like I said, I'm not a 13s guy, but they cool. They cool. I'm not gonna sell these. I'm gonna keep them, put them in a collection. You know, shout out to the people that got them. And the resale value ain't high. But I think later on it's going to go up sky high one day. All right, the next shoe, the Jordan 4 Red Thunder. Now, as you can see, these are hot. I got these for my wife on exclusive access. And I buy shoes for my wife all the time. For some reason, she don't wear her shoes. Maybe I should have got these for me. That's another story. But she wanted them, and I got it for her. And these are fire, man. I try to get them Saturday morning 9 o'clock, but I should have used another account because I got them exclusive access and it say purchase already. It say I purchased them, so I couldn't get them again. I didn't know. Should have used another account. But these are fire, y'all. Fire. Look at them. These are fire. I can't believe I don't have these for myself, and I'm sure not paying resale for them. I hope my wife wear these, man, because I be buying the shoes. She don't be wearing the shoes. But these are hot. Should have got them for me. But I love you, baby. Hope you wear your shoes. Resale value gonna be sky high one day. Real high. Love these.
All right.
Well, look, we gonna go ahead and close. When those cool grade 11s come in, we will do an unboxing and on foot if they legit. And you know what? I have another shoe I ordered, and you know we're gonna keep it a surprise. Another shoe that I ordered, but we'll go there whenever it come in. All right. So we appreciate y'all rocking with us. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to Clones TV. We popping and we ain't stopping. Out of space with this shit and don't plan on coming down. I'm your boy T1. I'm your boy T2. And this Clones TV. Y'all subscribe. We out. See you next week. Peace. All right.